How to retire in Portugal. Everything you need to know about residency and benefits. Portugal has increasingly become a favored destination for retirees seeking a warm climate, beautiful landscapes, and a high quality of life. Here's a comprehensive guide to retiring in Portugal, covering residency, benefits, and costs. Residency requirements. To retire in Portugal, you'll need to secure residency, typically through the Residency for Retirees visa. The process involves several steps. Visa application. Start by applying for a long-term residency visa at a Portuguese consulate in your home country. This visa allows you to enter Portugal and start the residency application process. Proof of income. You must demonstrate sufficient financial means to support yourself without needing public assistance. The minimum required amount is roughly €1,200 to €1,500 per month, depending on the family size and lifestyle. This can be shown through pensions, savings, or investments. Health insurance. Obtain private health insurance or register for the Portuguese National Health Service, SNS. Private insurance typically costs between €50 and €150 per month. Residency permit. Once in Portugal, apply for a residence permit at the local immigration office. You'll need to provide proof of accommodation, health insurance, and financial means. Benefits of retiring in Portugal. Climate and lifestyle. Portugal boasts a mild climate with over 300 days of sunshine annually. Its picturesque landscapes and vibrant cities offer a relaxed lifestyle ideal for retirement. Healthcare. Portugal's public healthcare system provides high-quality services at a relatively low cost. As a retiree, you can access this system once you are a resident. Private healthcare is also available and is often praised for its affordability. Cost of living. Portugal is known for its affordable cost of living compared to many Western countries. Monthly expenses for a comfortable lifestyle, including rent, utilities, and groceries, range from €1,500 to €2,500, depending on location. Tax benefits. Portugal offers favorable tax conditions for retirees, particularly through the non-habitual resident (NHR) tax regime. This program provides significant tax breaks on foreign pensions and income for the first 10 years of residency. Costs involved. Visa fees. Applying for the residency visa can cost around €100 to €150. Residency permit. The cost for the residence permit varies but is typically around €200 to €300. Legal fees. Hiring a local lawyer to help with the application process can cost between €500 and €1,000. Living expenses. As mentioned, the monthly cost of living, including rent, utilities, and groceries, averages between €1,500 and €2,500. In conclusion, retiring in Portugal offers numerous benefits, including a pleasant climate, affordable living, and quality healthcare. While there are some costs associated with residency and legal procedures, the overall affordability and lifestyle make Portugal an attractive destination for retirees. Thanks for watching this video.